I eat. I walk. I sing. I sleep. She eats. Mika walks. Pippi sings. It sleeps. I have a book. I eat an apple. I see a bird. I have books. I eat apples. I see birds. I eat bread. I drink water. I like milk. I don't eat meat. You don't like milk. We don't have books. She doesn't drink water. Mika doesn't eat bread. Pippi doesn't read. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you have a book? No, I don't. Does Mika eat bread? Yes, she does. Does Pippi drink water? No, it doesn't. She eats bread. Mika likes apples. I have an apple. I have a book. I see 2 birds. I like milk. She doesn't drink milk. Does Mika eat bread?